Welcome students, I am science teacher Sanap SN. Standard 10, Subject Science 2, Chapter number 4, Environmental Management. Now here, Environmental Conservation. When some natural factors of environment and some artificial violated factors harm the environment, it creates imbalance between various factors of environment and ultimately affects the existence of biotic factors. म्हणजे जेव्हा काही नैसर्गिक घटक हे आणि काही कृत्रिम घटक पर्यावरणाला प्रदूषण पोहोचवतात आणि त्यामुळे निसर्गातील अनेक विविध घटकांमध्ये असंतुलितपणा निर्माण होतो. अल्टिमेटली अफेक्ट्स द एक्झिस्टन्स ऑफ बायोटिक फॅक्टर्स म्हणजे जैविक घटकांवर सुद्धा परिणाम होतो. नाव द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज fog and pollution in city. It is a problem. At present, many environmental problems have been arisen due to the effect of various natural and artificial factors on the earth. Environmental pollution is one of those main factors. Generally, contamination of any material is its pollution. Unnecessary and unacceptable change in the surrounding environment due to natural events or human activities is called as environmental pollution. That is, direct or indirect changes in physical, chemical, and biological properties of air, water, and soil. Various reasons like population explosion, fast industrialization, and indiscriminate use of natural resources, deforestation, etc. Pollution is a broad concept. ही एक खूप मोठी संकल्पना आहे. Various types of pollutants like that of air, water, sound, soil, thermal, light pollution occur around us. Ultimate adverse effect of all of these is on existence of all the living organisms, and out of this environmental conservation has become the need of hour. We have studied the air pollution. Fog and pollution in the city is seen in the figure. Need of environmental conservation. General public is not aware about the rules of environment conservation. There should be large scale participation of the people in environment conservation. It will be possible to answer the environmental problems only if environmental protection conservation becomes an effective public movement. For this purpose, values like positive attitude and affection towards environment, knowledge about it, etc. should be inculcated among the children since their childhood. This will help to make the future generation more aware about environmental conservation and protection. So as to achieve this, it is necessary to increase the awareness through education. म्हणजे शिक्षणाने आपल्याला ही सर्व काळजी घेणे आवश्यक आहे. विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये सुद्धा या एन्व्हायरमेंटल कॉन्झर्वेशनच्या शिक्षण देण्याची आवश्यकता आहे. टुडे ऑल द डेव्हलपिंग अँड अंडरडेव्हलप्ड कंट्रीज have accepted the responsibility of environmental protection. पर्यावरण संवर्धनाची आवश्यकता आणि गरज सर्वांनीच ओळखलेली आहे. Their efforts are in that direction. त्या सर्वांचे प्रयत्न त्या दिशेने चालू आहेत. They have defined the future plan about environmental protection and have constituted the necessary laws. The next topic is environmental conservation is our social responsibility. म्हणजे पर्यावरण संवर्धन करणे ही आपल्या सर्वांची सामाजिक जबाबदारी आहे. Since existence of human, there is interrelationship between human and environment. Humans step on the earth long after formation of earth. On the earth, human being prove his superiority as compared to other animals with the help of characters like intelligence, memory, imaginary ability, etc. Human establish domination over the nature. Human utilize all the natural resources as much as possible. He is attempt to live satisfactory life. Human kept on snatching from the nature as much as possible and lead to increase its problem. From this entire scenario, we can understand that human has crucial role in maintaining the environmental balance. If human has disturbed the environmental balance, then human itself only can conserve and improve the quality of nature. Many times general public is unknown that its activities are harmful to environment and thereby unknowingly many activities happen. म्हणजे बऱ्याचदा मनुष्याला माहीत नसते की त्याच्या हातून ज्या काही कृती घडत आहेत त्या या पर्यावरणाला हानिकारक आहे आणि मग नकळतच अजाणतेपणे त्यांच्याकडून ह्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीज होत राहतात आणि पर्यावरणाला धोका पोचतो. म्हणून हे सर्व टाळले पाहिजे.